The Grettz G60 Rotary Laser is the perfect choice for those looking for a highly accurate, reliable laser level without the high price tag. Designed with simplicity in mind, this laser features a one-button operation, and with a massive 400-meter diameter, this is going to be ideal for such a wide range of tasks, from building to farming to just general construction. Let me tell you a bit more about it. So I did mention about the one-button operation on this laser, and you're probably looking at the front here thinking, well, I can see two buttons. So how does that work? Well, I'll tell you how it works. This one, nice and easy, on and off. And this one here, all that is the tilt warning system. So if you've set it up and you're trying to get a reading, if someone comes along and knocks it, or for whatever reason it becomes tilted, this will stop the laser, so it means you won't get an inaccurate reading. Obviously, you're going to be using this outside, and that's why this has a heavy-duty lighthouse cover on the top. Not only is this going to shield it from shocks, but it's also weather resistant, so you don't need to worry about what the weather is when you're actually using the laser. The laser inside rotates at 600 RPM, and with an accuracy of 3mm at 30 meters away, this is a seriously capable laser. And when you pair it with the detector that is supplied when you pick up this G60, you can operate it up to 400 meters away. That's a really, really great distance. Now, these stats I've told you are relatively common amongst rotary lasers, but when you look at the price point of the G60, this is demonstrating some exceptional value for a really capable bit of kit. So whether you're a builder, farmer, handyman, or anyone else, if you're looking for a rotary laser that gives you absolutely unbelievable value and is a seriously capable machine, look no further than the G60. Whatever the weather, it's going to be capable for you. You can find it now at its.co.uk.